apart, living like we've always said. I've got